Welcome to the design phase of the MadLearn platform. Let's explore. First, let's select and edit a stock set of background images. Click an image set icon at the left, as you see here. Next, we'll review the editing options on the right. Properties are divided into two parts, title bar and buttons. The title bar's background color can be changed by using the tools in the editor. The opacity of the title bar can also be adjusted using the slider. The font style can also be changed. Other changes can be made as well, including the text color. Buttons can also be customized. Just scroll down. You can change the layout or button shape, as well as colors, opacity, and more, just like the title bar. Home screen button sizes can also be adjusted. Keep the size range limits in mind and try to keep all the buttons on the screen without having to scroll. Larger buttons will stack in a single column and they may fall off the screen. Now let's see how to add your own backgrounds, as well as logo and app icon. Start by clicking the Edit button at the left. Now you can upload images from your computer to display on both phones and tablets. Start with your logo. Scroll down on the left to find this image. Then click the Upload Image button found at the bottom. Select the logo file on your computer that you created. There's a separate tutorial on how to create custom images. Your custom logo will appear on both devices. The same process can be followed for the rest of your background and icon images. The splash screen is the first screen the user sees. It includes an interesting background and a logo. Be sure to upload all your background images for both types of devices. The home screen background should remove the logo and fade the background of the splash screen. The inner screen background uses the same design as the home screen background. A custom app icon can be imported like the previous elements. Scroll down. You now have a custom set of images for your app. That's the design phase process. Next, we'll move on to the build phase. Good luck!